Alright everyone, welcome back to Automotive Anatomy. So today we're going to go to Ontario, show some support to our friends from Automotive Anatomy. They're unveiling their new GT3 track car, I guess we would say, competition car. So it should be a fun time. The event is from 9 to 12. So I'm assuming they're going to be unveiling it maybe midway point. I don't know if I'm going to be there when they unveil it. But if I am great. If I'm not, well, I'm not. But it's, I don't know, 6:50. I think I'm trying to, it's about 45 minutes. I'm trying to get there about 7:30-ish to get some of you guys rolling in. Pictures, videos, or whoever goes and support. But yeah, it should be a good time. A lot of nice cars should be showing up, and the weather is beautiful, so we'll catch you guys there. Alright guys, we made it. Pretty smooth drive. So I said Time of Attack, but it's also RS Future collab. They're both two companies that work together, and they've been working together obviously with other companies to build this Time Attack car. So we're definitely here really early because all this is gonna get packed, even the parking's inside. But I wanted to get here early so I can get some of you guys rolling in, and hopefully we can get some nice rolling shots of some of the builds that come through. Damn, FKA Warriga Masters, sick. Spoon everything, very clean. Good morning. GTR Avant wheels, very nice, very clean setup. Another FK8. What's up, man? How you doing?
How's it going, dude?
How's it going, man? Good morning, good morning. This gentleman right here with these beautiful FK8, beautiful T37s. Damn, definitely it's gonna be a great event. Some other cars, those are other shop cars that are parked over there. So I'm gonna set up over here somewhere in this corner, so that way when they start opening up the cones for people to come in, I have a decent angle for you guys. So as we wait for more cars to roll in, it's cool to see this E36, and then we're gonna see the other E36, because this is like the perfect street car for me, you know. Mild drop, nice OZ racing wheels, very clean interior. And then you have this, which is a complete track car. Wow, this thing is gorgeous. Yes. I mean, some of you are crazy enough that you guys would daily this, but you know, as you get older, you start realizing, like, damn, it's so good. And it sounds really aggressive too. Very aggressive. So definitely a great car. Wow. Super clean Integra, seal glass. I was gonna go inside their facility, but I don't think the car that they're showcasing is covered, so I don't want to be disrespectful and record something before they set it up. So I'm just gonna stick to the outside, and there's a lot of nice cars inside. And despite, you know, having exotics around here, such as, I don't know, you know, Lamborghinis and Ferraris that I saw showed up, I'm always gonna be about this old school stuff, you know. So this is what really grabs my eyesight. Like, for instance, this headlights, that's cool. Never seen those before. Just pretty much, they're not headlights, they're just clear. So I really like the touch. This car sounds insane. B series coil and plug, man. Okay, very, very nice. Extremely clean setup. They added the flares, Yankee wheels, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Wow, perfect car. Well, this car so far is taking the cake for me. Again, even though there's so many newer cars and stuff. Hey, what's up?
Yeah, long time.
That's your red car?
No.
Okay, now I put you 2 and 2. How you doing, Josh? All right, cool. I noticed that they actually did cover the car back there, that they're showcasing, so I can come and record here, so that's good. Didn't want to be disrespectful and just, you know, start recording and yeah, don't want to be disrespectful and just start recording without their permission. But it seems like they cover the cars, and these are the ones that are going to be showcasing. This one belongs to Amir. He's actually from Artist Future. The car is covered up, but it's a K24 turbo. I don't know, I think he's already on a sequential, yeah, he's on a sequential transmission. I think he upgraded that a while back. I mean, this car is just a legend, man. I mean, we were able to meet up with him a couple years back now, 2-3 years, at his old place. And you know, I thought the car was crazy back then, and somehow he's managed to continue to improve. And it's so crazy because he's been tracking all over the United States. So great jobs to Amir and Mui and everybody from Artist Future. So, and I know they're busy, so I wish they could upload more to the YouTube channel, but you know, there's only so much. They're a small company who are, you know, trying their best and competing and creating and working with clients. So there's only so much time, you know. But this is another build that they're currently working on. They're going with the wider front end on this FK8, so should be pretty fun. Man, this car is so funny because I've been enjoying the M4s now. Like, I kind of want an M4 and Speed Hunters, I believe, either Speed Hunters or some other one did a cover on this, a feature, and man, let me tell you guys, I was just like, I want that, you know. So definitely one sweet, awesome project. Removing the Porsche. Very cool. But yeah, this M4 is just they practically grabbed it and then you just strip it and they're like, all right, look at this. One of my most favorite cars at the moment. And it's not, I mean, it's expensive. I'm not trying to say it's not, but it's not like a Ferrari or, you know, Lamborghini. This is, I love the cage work on this. I love the way they left it, then paint match it. So yeah, super cool. So definitely should be checking out that. No, you're good. You should definitely be checking out that feature on, I think it was Sten's Speed Hunters. But I fell in love with this M4, so super cool that I was able to see it. I wasn't planning on seeing it today, so very nice surprise. As we know how I feel about the Evos, very beautiful cars, especially with the, I think this is the Various wide body, don't quote me on it. Very nice aggressive wheels, super cool. Get out of the way. Some of the cars that they're staging in here, we saw them roll in. Super clean Integra up there. like bright blue wheels. Very, very nice. Gorgeous Civic. We've seen throughout the time he doesn't take it out that much, but when he does, it's always a pleasure to see this car. Very nice. I'm trying not to be in nobody's way. Okay. John's EG he brought, aka Goldie. So super clean, simple yet not so simple. Not sure who owns that EF up there, but super clean. And then Angel's Time Attack EK. And then I don't know who owns this car, but when it came in the morning, it looked perfect, and it is perfect. CPR wheels, just so nice. As you guys know, I love the Porsches. It's just, especially this generation 991. Thank you, appreciate it. Especially this generation, is so beautiful. I don't even need the whole wide body thing. I'll take a Carrera, you know. Just but they're great looking cars. I mean, that's the goal, right? We keep striving for something like this, so well, we'll get it, you know. It's just a matter of time. Something this crazy, I don't know, because I don't think I need anything like this crazy, but it's always welcome, right? Who would be opposed to having this in their garage? Very cool. I love this piece right here. Gets the air in there, and it's been heavily modded, so I'm not sure what engine it has. I'm sure there's been a feature on it. Maybe I haven't come across it. The car does look familiar, but I maybe already saw the feature. I just don't remember it. And then this one, what is this called? A Gino front end or something like that. I don't know much about it, but this is a Bisimoto. I am to assume, just assuming, it's oh, I was gonna assume wrong. I thought it was gonna be an electric one, unless it's an electric one with two fake turbos back there, but I doubt it. So Bisimoto's Porsche, super cool. Very, very nice. Love the wide body. Just one of one build. I mean, very, very, very nice. So definitely a big shout out to Art of Attack and RS Future, both of them for opening up your home and allowing us, people like myself, to come in and check out the cars and the builds that you're currently working on. And yeah, I mean, that car looks long. I don't know. I mean, if I didn't know the Flyer, I would assume that it's some type of Corvette, but no, it's a Porsche. But man, it looks like it's gonna be a lot of fun. That thing is long. It's awesome. Joey Lee with his GR. This is the whole reason why I didn't. Sorry. I thought Joey was driving it. Nope, Joey's recording. His buddy's driving it. Very nice. Cool. Well, I think we're gonna start taking some pictures and let's start getting some of the cars from the outside. So should be a good time. I mean, the quality of cars is everywhere, so it's not even like, you know, you're missing a beat from the cars inside and from the cars outside. They're obviously different. They're not as wild track oriented, but I think they're all worth the time.